This demo is going to show you how to shade a sphere using the color blocking technique and markers as my medium. So in this case, I'm going to use blue as my main color, just testing out a couple colors here. This lighter blue is not only a lighter value, but it's actually a little bit of a warmer blue. You can see that it's closer to green. It's kind of getting a little bit warmer on the color wheel. I have kind of my medium blue. And then the standard blue marker, you can see that one is a little bit closer to purple on the color wheel, so that makes it a cooler blue. I'll also use straight up purple in this demo. And even that blue-green, again, warmer blue-green for the highlight. As I start, I'm leaving a little spot open for the highlight. I'm using my lighter blue, which is also a cooler blue. You can see that I'm making my marker strokes following the contours of that circle shape. And you'll want to do this with whatever shape that you're shading. You want to follow the contours of that shape or that form. This blue-green or green-blue, because it's warmer, I'm using that in the highlight. Then moving on to my medium blue, notice that I'm overlapping on top of that light blue. And it kind of creates its own color when you overlap markers. Still following the contours. Marker strokes in that circular shape. Now I'm going to come in with that standard blue, which happens to be a little bit closer to purple on the color wheel. Remember, cooler colors in your shadows. So because it's closer to purple, that makes it cooler. That's why it's better for the shadows. Now, even on top of that, I'm layering purple on top of that dark blue. Purple is kind of my go-to color for using in the shadows, and when I layer it on top, it doesn't even look like purple, it just darkens that blue a bit, makes it look a little bit more like a blue-violet. As I work the cast shadow, I'll overlap blue on top of that purple, again to make that kind of nice deep blue-violet. Darker and cooler colors in the shadows, lighter and warmer colors in the highlights. And that is how you shade using the color blocking technique.